here. Hope everyone had a great week. So for this video, I wanted to do some unboxings and show you guys what I just got from Amazon amongst other places. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So the first place that I ordered stuff from was Amazon. With everything going on, I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to not only treat myself, but show you some things that you can treat yourselves with as well. So, the first item I got was this glass water bottle. I will link it in the description below. But the reason why I got this, and I'll show you in a second, is that it helps you drink more water throughout the day, and also it's glass, so it's safe for the environment and it's dishwasher safe. So, this is what it looks like, the outside. Pretty cool. Under $20. Let's see. Okay, so this is pretty cool. It actually comes with a holder. So if you're on a walk, or if you're riding a bike, or if you're going to school when all of this is over and going to class, this is definitely something you can attach on your backpack or your bag or anything in between. So I got this. I think I got it in the color navy. I think that's just the holder, but this is what it looks like. As you can see on it, there are little markers throughout the day to help you drink water, to know when and how much. And also, this is, for me, this is one, I need to do 2 of these a day, I believe. So I am gonna definitely use this. It's gonna help me. This quarantine, I've been waking up much later than I normally do. So this actually has 2 different times on it that'll help you. So yeah, and it's glass, which is great. One of the things that I hate about small bottles is that 1, they are heavy, 2, they're expensive, and 3, you can't put them in the dishwasher. So this is gonna be good. And also it came with 2 tops, which is super nice, just in case I lose one, or I don't know. The second item that I got from Amazon, let's see. I was like, what is this? So, I will show a picture of what this, a lot of people have been getting these sunglasses, but the real ones, and I did not and could not spend $500, $600, $700, I don't know how many, but could not spend that much on a pair of sunglasses. So I got these. I believe they were $10, definitely under that, but they look like this. They are so cute. A lot of people have been wearing them, buying them, but I'm not gonna buy the real ones. So this is what they look like. Oh yeah. Oh. One thing I like about them is the shape. So they're not, I have a really, really small face, and it's hard for me to find glasses that fit, but I was going through the pictures and all the reviews, and it seemed like a lot of people liked it, especially with different face structures. Like, I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyway, a bunch of people said good things about them, so when it's sunny, I'm gonna wear these, and also vacation when we get out of this. So that was that. It also came with, this brand is called Mosana. It came with this little glasses case holder, which is super nice. And then also it came with a keychain. I don't think I'm gonna put that on any keys, but if you need a keychain, you can send it over. And then also a cloth to clean your glasses. So we're gonna keep this on. Actually, fun fact, when I was little, I used to be obsessed with sunglasses and would not leave the house without them. I will show you a pic right here. But, okay, that's that. Second thing that I got in the mail was from Runway. I love doing this. So depending on the membership you choose, I'm not sure what, I think it's under $100 a month, but you get to swap out as many times as you want, as many items as you choose. So for me, it's, I think right now it's 5 items, and then I can swap them out as much as I want throughout the month, which is great because 1, I don't have to buy so many clothes, 2, it saves me money, and 3, I just get to choose amongst so many different styles. It's great. So I'm gonna show you guys what I picked. So I'll just show you as fast as I can how they come, but they always come dry clean, which is really nice, and also in a plastic bag and hung up, and then with every single return, they give you the label, so that's super easy for you. It did not. It fell off the hanger. Okay. So, this top, it's an extra small, it's silk, it's like a nude, and it's from the brand Nanushka. I'll put the link somewhere. But this is the shirt. I'm gonna try it on. It's really cute. So like I said, you have the whole month to wear this, which is great. Now I don't really go out, or can't go out, but it's good for the future if you're going to like an event or something. Again, it comes in a plastic bag, which is super nice. Second one is this one, super cool. It's kind of like an ombre of pastels, reminded me of like an orange creamsicle popsicle, or orange creamsicle. Yeah, I'll show you guys a pic, but this is from the brand 525. Ooh, this one must be new because no one wore it yet because it still has the tags, unless they just kept them on. But anyway, I'm gonna try this on as well and show you what it looks like. But that's that. So I'm gonna try those on, keeping the glasses on. But this is the ombre top. Hold on, this is a picture I have all the time. This is the top. It's really cute. It's a knit kind, and on the website it recommends what size is best for you. This one said extra small. Fits perfectly. I haven't had a problem with sizing yet with Runway, but I like this one. So, okay, now for the next one. Alright, this one's really cute too. The only issue I have with it is that I can't pull the straps up tighter, so it could possibly fall off. But this is what it looks like. Obviously not the right undergarments, but it is very cute. Great for a night out, or if you're going out to dinner with just some pair of jeans. But we are going to wear this one as much as we can. And also, if you want, you can keep anything that you get from the Runway longer than a month. So, yeah. So the last thing I'm gonna show you is what I got from Amazon Wardrobe. It is basically like a try-on at-home service that Amazon provides. So if you are unsure about what size you need for a pair of jeans, or if you want to try these shoes out but are not sure if they're gonna match with what you're gonna be wearing them with, then Amazon Wardrobe allows you to have, I think, 7 days to try on, and then you keep what you want and you return what you don't. So it's a good way to check sizes and see what works best for you. So I'm not gonna try these on, but I really wanted to look and see if I could get some new sneakers, ones that were sort of that chunky trend. I don't like the Fila's, if you know what I'm talking about. They are way too chunky for me. So I decided to try these from Diesel. Again, I will put everything in my bio, or put everything in the link below.
Big.
Ooh, big. So these are them. Here, I'll show you. I got them in a size, not sure. These are them. Got them in a size, let's see, 6. They're a size 6. They look huge. I've never gotten a pair of shoes from Diesel at all, so this was totally a guess. But I'll just try them on, I guess. Ooh, and they have 2 different kind of lace. So I'm not going to show you because they're not even on, but 6 is too small for me. I think because they look big than they actually are, that's why. But definitely order half a size up. Okay, and then last but not least, I wanted to get a pair of lounge shorts. But with Amazon drop, I wasn't sure what size to get. These are from their Staples collection, I believe. Amazon Staples, or just things by Amazon drop. And so these tie-dye shorts were on there. So I got these in extra, extra small because that was the size recommended. So these are them, super cute. They have pockets in them, soft, and the tie-dye is really nice. It doesn't look like that cheap kind of tie-dye. It looks like really, good. But that was everything that I got. I just thought this would be fun to show you some different things on what to buy so you can do Rent the Runway. You know, there's there is unlimited possibilities to renting things and also trying new things that you weren't sure about and not having to pay for that much. So it's a good way to see what's out there and try things you normally wouldn't have. So we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video or want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, like the video, comment below, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week.